ROBBIE Williams' planning war with next-door neighbor Jimmy Page is set to explode this month when the singer starts work on his mega basement, complete with underground pool, gym and secret tunnel. The former Take That Star's construction team, Barton Engineers, have sent out a letter to local residents saying that the grand renovations on his historic £17.5 million London home are due to begin in spring 2022 and last for 11 months. 8. ROBBIE has submitted plans to renovate his mega basement at his London mansion Credit, Rex. 8. Led Zeppelin rocker Jimmy and ROBBIE have been embroiled in a row over the property for over 7 years. Credit, Getty, contributor. 8. Jimmy lives in the house on the left, and ROBBIE on the right. Credit, Chris White. They have even come up with a traffic management plan, which is currently being reviewed by the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea. This heaps yet more misery on the star's neighbor, Led Zeppelin legend Jimmy, who has constantly complained about the works, including the indoor pool and an underground passageway to the main house, affecting his adjacent Grade I listed building. Now the traffic management plan reveals that there will be up to 2 lorries an hour passing Jimmy's house to deliver materials and collect rubbish. The lorries include a ready-mix concrete trucks, muck lorries and ones for rubbish and waste. The lorries vary in size from 7.5 tons to huge 8-wheel tippers and 32-ton trucks carrying mobile cranes. The works are set to continue for 46 weeks, with the site hours being from 8 in the morning to 6 in the evening every weekday. Lorry deliveries are permitted for 5.5 hours during term time and 7 hours in school holidays, with ROBBIE's team stating that there could be up to 12 lorries coming and going during the day. Lorries will be hanging around the street for up to 155 minutes a day. This will particularly irk sensitive Jimmy, who thought that even the tiniest of vibrations would ruin his own Grade I listed building and its fragile ancient paintings and frescoes. Jimmy's property was built in 1781 by architect William and is considered one of most important houses in London. He was victorious in one battle, which meant the singer's builders could only use handheld tools to excavate the basement, meaning it would take years at great expense. But now, with the rumbling of lorries passing his door every day, this is sure to annoy the guitarist. Jimmy has repeatedly complained about his neighbors' planning applications for trying to add mod cons such as a summer terrace and music studio. 7-year feud. The row first started over 7 years ago in 2015 when ROBBIE submitted plans for the renovations which were objected to by the rocker. The musician got his own back on ROBBIE by having roof work done on his property in September 2016 and using a firm with the same name as one of Williams's biggest hits, Millennium. In 2017, ROBBIE infuriated Jimmy once more after submitting plans for a shed on stilts to be built in his garden. At one point, ROBBIE said the guitarist had a mental illness and accused him of sitting in his car for hours outside his house. The Angels singer told Italian radio station Radio DJ, "Jimmy has been sitting in his car outside our house, 4 hours at a time." has recording the workmen to see if they're making too much noise. The builders came in and he was asleep in his garden waiting. It's like a mental illness. He later apologized over the comments, and a source told The Sun Robbie had written him a heartfelt note in a bid to end the feud. The Sun reached out to representatives for Jimmy Page and Robbie Williams for comment. 8. Jimmy has complained that vibrations from the work will damage his property credit. Chris White. 8. Jimmy wants to eliminate all risk to his 1781 property from the Works Credit, PA, Press Association. 8. Jimmy used a firm with the same name as one of Robbie's hits, Millennium, to carry out work at his home credit. Chris White. 8. Robbie wishes to add an underground swimming pool and gym to his mansion credit. Chris White. 8. Robbie tried to end the feud in 2019, a source said. Credit, Rex features.